Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about Be Quiet Pure Loop 2. So friend, a Be Quiet set to expand its lineup of all-in-one water cooling system by launching the Pure Loop 2 as a successor to the Pure Loop. This version integrates a host of upgraded like PWM-regulated pump and ARGB LEDs embedded within the cooling block, and this series includes recently developed Pure Wings 3 PWM high-speed fans designed for silent operation and optimum steady pressure. So friend, these units come fitted with 3 Pure Wings 3 PWM high-speed fans, maintaining a notably low aesthetic footprint with just 36.8 dBA at peak speed and employing a closed-loop motors, radiator, and the pump showcasing a doubly developed design for vibration mitigation, and it is positioned on the tube, thus separating it from both the CPU cooling block and the radiators, and the pump's inherent vibration is further curb using internal rubber buffers and the pump buffers PWM modulation for a balanced performance noise output, while its nickel-coated cold plate offers reliable cooling app for mainstream CPUs compatible with liquid metal thermal paste. And friend, the cooling block is subtly illuminated with ARGB lights, and over prolonged use, every package provides a 100 ml coolant bottle adequate for minimum of 6 top-ups. And friend, if you talk about the pricing, the starting price is 89.90 euros. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.